that we're providing is bridging staff to build a halal friendly Philippines, especially to our president and for
Okay, thank you very much, Ali, from the Halal Development Office. On behalf of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce in the Quezon City, I would like to thank everyone for participating in our today's seminar. Marami po tayong natutunan. Halal is for everyone. Halal is not only for Muslims, but for all people coming from different faiths. And halal is about cleanliness, hygiene, safety, and of course, ethical practice. And for most of us businesses here in Quezon City, let's promote halal-friendly Philippines. And of course, all of this will not be possible, all of this awareness and learning will not be possible without the help of PTI, our Quezon City government, our speakers, the halal certifying bodies, our members